Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at this adjustable standing desk that I got on Amazon from AIZ. This is Mayor Product Reviews. I feel like anytime I have unboxing or assembly in any of my review videos, you can catch my husband Jeff there ready to put the thing together and my dog Ruby ready to investigate. This is no exception here today. So with the help of my two favorite assistants, let's put this desk together. One thing that I really love about this desk is that it's on 4 wheels. So you can lock those wheels in place and make it a stationary item that stays right where it is, or you can really very easily move this around. This desk makes it possible to make a temporary workstation or a workstation that moves from room to room as needed. One side of the desk has a lip on it, so you could place your laptop there without any fear of it sliding off the end. Now the desk is fully assembled, so let's see what it can do. As you can see, you simply loosen those bolts and lift it to the height that you want, and then tighten them back to keep them in place. You can put the 2 pieces together to make a wide workspace and use as one solid table, or you can adjust it so that one side is at one level and the other at another level. It's not the most secure and stable thing, but it is very simple and inexpensive, so for what you need it for, it's as stable as you would ever need. Nothing is super wobbly or going to fall apart. While this is an adjustable standing desk, you can also bring it down to a seated desk that you can roll right in. And you can tell by the legs on this that you could bring it up to a workstation, slide it underneath a couch, sit at a chair, and it's just a workstation that you can push away from you and walk away from. It comes with simple and straightforward instructions, and we assembled it with the tools that it came with. So let's look at it more closely. This is the black color. There are 3 different color options. I'm showing you the all black, and you can see that faux wood grain on these pieces. It has a nice shine to it, which does mean that you can see some fingerprints and things like that. So you just have to wipe it clean a little bit more often since it's not a flat surface. But I do find that the structure of it is stable. It's nice that you can wheel it around. This is something that you could push into a closet when you're not using it and wheel out just when you need it. Those wheels have locking mechanisms, so if you want this to be stable, it can be. When I originally got this, I thought this would be perfect for a standing desk for when I was doing voiceover recording and working on audiobooks, because I could place my laptop at one level and my mic at another and adjust the desk so the mic was in the perfect position so that I could be standing or sitting and working on a book. because I don't have that out constantly, when I want to get my materials out for that, I just wheel the desk out and then can easily wheel it away. As much as I wanted to use this mainly for a standing workspace, I found that for a seated workspace, especially a temporary one, it is super comfortable and it's easy to adjust. One thing that I wasn't expecting with the use of this desk was how much all of my family members would enjoy it. Over Christmas break, my daughter got a new coloring book and pens, and she just pulled this desk out so she could sit and watch TV, and it just slides right underneath the couch so that she could have it out and be working on coloring or any other project that she wanted to do. Another child pulled out Legos and was building on it. So I just found this to be very versatile, that we could push off into the corner of our family room and then pull up to the couch anytime. When you have both sides evenly, it also provides a very wide workspace. So there's plenty of room for coloring utensils and the book right there. It makes a nice little table. Standing work desk? Check. TV table? Check. And I also found that this was an excellent guest desk. My brother-in-law came into town, and one day he needed to be working from our home, and he was able to wheel out this desk, place his laptop on it, and various other items. He had all the conveniences he needed and was able to wheel the desk around. He could use it at the couch, at a chair, and he could move it comfortably around the house as needed. So this could also be used in a guest room as a simple, inexpensive desk for any guest that might need it. I got mine on Amazon, and as usual, you can find the product link for this in my write-up below. I'm showing the all black option, but it also comes in black and yellow and oak, so you do have a little bit of variety in colors that you can choose. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you found this review to be helpful. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more reviews like this, and if you enjoyed this, hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time.